Good morning, students of class 9B. In the period of mathematics, we are solving factorization. Exercise 4.3, question number 2. 2J. Factorize the following. The equation is x plus y whole cube minus x minus y. We are asked to factorize this expression. In the first step, I wrote x plus y whole cube. From here I have taken minus common, so inside the bracket x plus y will be written. In the next step, x plus y, so x plus y is taken common. Inside the bracket x plus y whole square is left, and at this place minus 1 is left, so minus 1 we can write as minus 1 square, because 1 square will give you 1. Now we are seeing that this is in the form of a square minus b square. This much is a and this much is b. So this part of the expression is written same, x plus y, and this is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means x plus y plus 1 into a minus b means x plus y minus 1. This became the factors of the given expression. Now question number L. The expression is a square minus b square into c square minus d square minus 4abcd. So I multiplied these two factors and omitted the small brackets. A square into c square, a square c square, plus minus minus a square into d square, a square d square, minus plus minus b square c square, minus minus plus b square d square, and this minus 4abcd came here. Then I made the group and splitted this term. I wrote these two terms, a square c square plus b square d square together, and this is splitted as minus 2abcd minus 2abcd. So minus 2abcd is written here. These two minus came common. Inside the bracket a square d square plus b square c square. Minus 2abcd is written here, so one more minus 2abcd is left. Minus is taken out, so here will be plus 2abcd. This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to a square minus b, a minus b whole square. A is a square c square and b is a is ac and b is bd. So this expression will be written in the form of a minus b whole square. For that I wrote ac minus bd whole square, and minus came here. This expression will be written as ad plus bc whole square. Now this much is a, and this much is b. This is a square minus b square, so I wrote a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means ac minus bd plus ad plus bc into a minus b, ac minus bd minus ad minus plus minus bc. So these two are the factors. In question number 3, express each of the following as the difference of two squares. The expression is x square minus 2x plus 3 into x square plus 2x plus 3. We have to write this in the difference of 2 square, means in the form of a square minus b square. This expression should be written in the form of a square minus b square. For that I made group. I wrote these two, x square plus 3 together, minus 2x came here. Here also x square plus 3 together, plus 2x came here. So what are we seeing? This much we use as a and this much as b. This side also this much is used as a and this much as b. Here more clearly in this step I have written, I enclose these two in bracket, x square plus 3, this went out of the bracket and middle bracket is closed. This 2 is written in the bracket plus 2x and middle bracket closed. So we are saying a minus b into a plus b. So a is square, x square plus 3 whole square minus b square 2x square. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. This came as it is, x square plus 3 whole square minus, this is the simplified, this is simplified 4x square. So the difference of two squares of this given expression became x square plus 3 whole square minus 4x square. Now question number C, the expression is x square plus 2x minus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 3. Here also I have made group, x square is written separately and 2x minus 3 is written inside the bracket. This plus came here. Here also x square is written separately, minus is taken out as common, inside the bracket 2x minus 3 will be written because minus minus plus. We are saying this is a square, this is a plus b, this is a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square is x square whole square minus b is 2x minus 3, b square means 2x minus 3 whole square. This is simplified x to the power 4 minus 2x minus 3 whole square. In question number 4, factorize the following. Number A, y square plus 1 by 4y square plus 1 minus 6y minus 3y minus 3 by y. In this step I have written y square. This term may be written as 1 by 2y whole square because 1 into 1, 2y into 2y, 4y square, and plus 1 is written as 2 into y into 1 by 2y. Because I have tried to give the format of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I have written this in this way, and if you simplify this, 2y into 2y cancelled, 1 is left, and here from these two terms I have taken 6 common, minus 6 common, so at this place y is left. This minus will be changed into plus because minus plus minus, and at this place 1 by 2y will come, because if you see the simplification, 6 into 1 by 2y, then 2 3s are, this became 3 by y, that is here. So I have written this in this way, minus 6 common, y plus 1 by 2y. This much expression is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So for that I have written a plus b whole square minus 6a plus b, y plus 1 by 2y. So y plus 1 by 2y, y plus 1 by 2y, I have taken common, y plus 1 by 2y became common. So here y plus 1 by 2y is left, and here this much went out, so minus 6 is left. I have omitted the bracket, I wrote y plus 1 by 2y into y plus 1 by 2y minus 6. This became the answer. Question number 4C. We are asked to factorize this expression, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 6x square y square. I have written this x to the power 4 as x square whole square plus y to the power 4 is y square whole square, because 2 into 2 4, x to the power 4, 2 into 2 4, y to the power 4, and I have splitted this as minus 2x square minus 4x square. So minus 2x square minus 4x square we can get back minus 6x square. Now this much expression you can see this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. That will be a minus b whole square. At the place of a is x square, at the place of b is y square. So a minus b whole square means x square minus y square whole square, and this expression I have written as 2xy whole square. If you solve this you will get it back. Now this is a and this is b, means a square minus b square. So for that I have written a plus b means x square minus y square plus 2xy into a minus b x square minus y square minus 2xy. This became the answer. Question number 4e, we are asked to factorize this given expression p square plus 1 by p square minus 3. For that, in the first step I have written p square plus 1 by p square, and this minus 3 is written as minus 2p into 1 by p minus 1. If you simplify this, from here you are getting minus 2, this minus 2 and minus 1 equal to minus 3. I have done this to give the format of a square plus b square minus 2ab. For a square plus b square minus 2ab I have written a minus b whole square, means p minus 1 by p whole square. Minus 1 is here, so I can do square, 1 square. Now this is in the form of a square, this is in b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That became the answer.